Have you ever been told that you make too much money to contribute to a Roth IRA? Well, if so, there may be a strategy that you've heard whispers about, the Backdoor Roth. So what is it? The Backdoor Roth isn't some special account or a loophole hidden in fine print. It's simply a two-step process that allows high-income earners to potentially get money into a Roth IRA. A high-level summary of how it works is this. First, you make a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA. Then, you convert that contribution to a Roth IRA. If done correctly, future growth can be tax-free, just like a normal Roth. The reason it's mysterious is because it can get a little tricky. Existing IRA balances, proper tax reporting, and timing, they all matter. If done incorrectly, they can create unexpected tax consequences. And that's why a backdoor Roth isn't necessarily for everyone, but for the right situation, it can be a powerful planning tool. If you're curious if this strategy makes sense for you, give us a call. We're here to help. I'm Hannah O'Leary. All the best.